IFC Class by Family allows you to set a local IFC class and type for the exported IFC file. It's located together with the rest of IFC features in the Naviate menu under Collaboration. To focus on the categories in your model and filter out unused items from the list, turn on Show in Use Only. To the left, you'll find the Revit Family and type names. The next column is the Global IFC Class, showing the default category settings for IFC classes, the same you specify in the IFC Export Options-table. Then there is the Local IFC Class, that allows you to set local category settings for IFC classes from the drop-down menu. This will fetch the available local IFC types and allow you to select an element type to assign to elements on family level, instead of specifying one single local IFC class for all elements within a category. If you assign IFC covering type to ceilings, you can choose ceiling as the local type. For curtain panels and curtain wall mullions, you can assign IFC plate type and choose curtain panel and mullion as local types. If you assign IFC slab type to floors, you can choose different slab types as appropriate. For lighting fixtures, assign IFC lighting fixture type to select the light distribution method for each light. Or choose IFC lamp type to assign a specific lamp type to each lighting fixture. You can choose a specific roof type for each roof if you select IFC roof type. Go through the list and click Done when you're satisfied with the mapping. When you export the IFC model, the model elements will be mapped as you specified in the Class by Family dialog.